Hello, everyone. I'm Jay Sutherland with Trade Pulse Technologies to talk about our platform and how we help short-term aggressive traders be more successful. And a great way to be more successful is using Tradier brokerage. We have a great program with Tradier brokerage that allows you to get access to our platform at no cost for 6 months if you open a new Tradier brokerage account with at least $5,000. So keep that in mind. So I've got a screen I want to share with everybody today just to show you how we can help traders that are looking for data to help them be more successful in the short term. So once again, we are for short-term traders, not for long-term investors. And this was yesterday, which was the 3rd of September, 2025, Zscaler. And just to refresh for new people, I want to let you know everything you're seeing here. The red bar charts going down and the green bar charts going up, those are retail order flow on a minute-by-minute basis on an individual stock. Now, Zscaler yesterday morning, and we have real-time data on our platform to help you make trading decisions. Yesterday morning was very weak. The black line represents the price of Zscaler throughout the day. And so the early morning, it was very, very weak. And you see the red bar charts coming down. Retail was selling dramatically. Then the green vertical bar you see on the left-hand side of the screen, that is what we call a power inflow. And that is our own algorithm that is monitoring all of the order flow on a stock. And this is when it is generated when there is a change from negative to positive order flow, selling to buying, and gives you a signal that you have a high likelihood of success. And the reason I chose Zscaler from yesterday to show you, I wanted to point out another interesting thing. On that black line, there's a blue line that is basically tracking that throughout the entire day. And that is the order flow from large institutions, mutual funds, hedge funds, things like that, non-retail order flow. Big money is another way to think about it. And what I find very interesting here, the signal comes in the morning, 10:30, and you can see there was a reversal in the large flow, but it's just amazing how that large order flow line tracks the price of the stock throughout the day. It ended up being a 4% increase in value from the time of the signal, which was in the middle of the afternoon. And then you can see there is a decline in the price of the stock again. And however, you also see the order flow from large institutions, mutual funds, things of that nature, was also turning negative. And then as we got closer to the end of the day, it reversed and got a little more positive. So the point I wanted to bring out here is that using our tool can help, using that power inflow can help you pick a spot where you can see a reversal and make some money on a short-term trade, in this case, 4%. And you can also utilize the large deal flow, the blue line, to give you an indication of, maybe I should sell at this point in time. Now, we don't have a signal that is like the power inflow for selling, but I think if you follow this over time, you'll see that the large deal flow is a pretty good indicator of what's going to be happening with the stock at any given time. So that's really what I wanted to point out today. And just for somebody that invested in this yesterday, if they bought when the power inflow occurred and sold at the peak in the afternoon, it would have been a 4% gain. If you held it to the end of the day, it was right at little over 2%, 2.1% gain on the day. But as I've mentioned before on our platform, it's very, very efficient at spotting reversals. And what I have found is utilizing it in the morning, looking for stocks that are weak, and then you can see a reversal and make some money that way. So as I mentioned before, we do have a nice offer with Tradier brokerage. If you have open a new account with $5,000 or more, you will get all of our data from our platform at no cost for 6 months. Typically, it's $100 a month for that. So that's quite a great deal for everybody. And we're at tradepulse.net. is our website, and you can sign up there. And obviously, if you're doing the Tradier brokerage plan, we work together with them on that. So this is for short-term traders to be more successful and have a plan in place so that you're not using hunches or speculation, but actually have data and a plan you can use to be a more successful trader. So thank you for your time today. And TradePulse.net, TradePulse Technologies, and Tradier Brokerage is a great pair. Thank you.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.